Dear friends, welcome to the Sipimo Shampoo Factory and explore the secrets of healthy and beautiful hair. Our factory is located in China and is equipped with modern and advanced production equipment, all of which are sourced from well-known equipment manufacturer. These devices precisely control every production process to ensure that each bottle of shampoo meets high-quality standards. The factory environment is clean and tidy, and we strictly adhere to relevant hygiene standards. Every step, from the storage of raw materials to the packaging of finished products, is carried out under optimal hygienic conditions. In terms of research and development, our team brings together many senior researchers who have been focusing on the hair care field for years and constantly explore and innovate. In order to find the most suitable ingredients for hair, the team has delved deep into the study of list some elements study, and finally extracted essences from natural raw materials such as list some natural raw materials and carefully formulated the unique formula of Sipimo shampoo. This formula can not only effectively clean the hair, but also deeply nourish the hair roots, repair damaged hair quality, and restore the natural luster of the hair. We have strict control from the procurement of raw materials. Each type of raw material goes through multiple testing procedures, and only those that meet our strict standards can enter the factory. During the production process, a strict quality control system monitors the whole process. Each batch of shampoo has to undergo specific testing items and frequencies of tests to ensure that every bottle of shampoo has stable quality and excellent effects. Sipimo shampoo has helped countless consumers solve hair problems and is deeply loved and trusted by everyone. Our products sell well all over the country and have a good reputation in lists of major sales regions and other places. Many consumers have reported that after using Sipimo shampoo, their hair has become more smooth and strong, and problems such as hair loss and shedding have been significantly improved. If you are also looking for a truly effective shampoo, choose Sipimo. We promise to always provide you with high-quality products and attentive services, enabling you to have healthy and beautiful hair.